Mpumelelo and Lwahle, they are not together nowadays. We know that Mpumelelo posts every time on his social Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. But nowadays, we didn't see them together with his brother Lwahle. There is something fishy between the two of them. Lwahle was staying in Musumbe with his girlfriend. Musamseleku was the one who asked Macele to bring Lwahle. Lwahle was not staying even on Sipak with Macele. He was staying at Macele's parents' home. So Musamseleku took Lwahle because Mpumelelo didn't agree with Musamseleku's decision. Mpumelelo was staying with Mayeni in Durban. So Macele asked Lwahle and Lwahle back in Musumbe. Now maybe there is a problem why Lwahle is back in Musumbe. I don't understand sometimes. It's between Mayeni and Macele because there is war between their mothers. Maybe they don't talk to each other. There is something fishy between the two of them. Last time they are not talking to each other again. Musamseleku sit down with them and ask them question. But I know that Lwahle is not the kind of person who can talk too much. But Macele, sometimes it's like a problem to him. And what I saw is about Makwela. You know that Mayeni doesn't want to accept Makwela and her kids what. But Macele accept Mayeni. Guys, it's so difficult. Your husband is coming with a wife and a child and say, this is my firstborn. And you are expecting that you are his first wife. Macele accept them. You understand? So there is an issue. That's why you saw that family now is divided by pieces. And the issue is about Muzumbe. Mpumelelo now doesn't want any more to do with Muzumbe. Mpumelelo was always in town every time. So Lwahle listen to Macele that he have to come back. Macele built a house in her parents' home because of she was doing it for her kids. Doesn't have a dream to build another house in Musumbe. But what I saw, Macele tolerate Musamseleku a lot. Macele and her kids are only people who can when Musamseleku asks something for them, they can do it with their own hearts. It's not about they doubt, but when it comes to other wives and their kids, when Mayeni shifted in Muzumbe, Mpumelelo was visiting Muzumbe there and there because of his mother Mayeni. But since Mayeni, we saw Musamseleku was complaining on Utando Nestembo and Kat why now Mpumelelo doesn't want any more to do in Muzumbe with Muzumbe. What? Musamseleku was crying because Mpumelelo doesn't even to support Musamseleku something, but Musamseleku can support Mpumelelo. Now there is an issue about that. But when Musamseleku asks something to Macele's kids, they love Musamseleku more than other kids. What I saw, they love their father. When Musamseleku asks a favor to Abongwe, Lwahle, Macele, they can do it now. It shows that it's real family because they support Musamseleku. They love Makwela's child and they love her. Metuli, they love her like their own sister. So it's very hard. Sometimes other kids they are acting in such a way, but they accept other kids. You understand? So now maybe Mpumelelo, maybe he is angry or what because we didn't see anything. We want to watch Isngane system, what's going on between the two of them because there is something fishy. We know that nowadays Mpumelelo can post his siblings or his friends, but when it comes to Lwahle, because we know that even Macele and Mayeni they can fight, but those kids they don't fight because they know that tomorrow those people when they are together. But now it looks like it's serious issue sometimes because of Muzumbe. Lwahle is staying in Muzumbe, and what I saw, maybe Musamseleku can build a house for Lwahle in Muzumbe, or Lwahle can take another house for another wives because those wives I don't think that they will stay in Muzumbe forever. I don't understand. So that issue about Mpumelelo and Lwahle, maybe Mpumelelo is jealous why Lwahle tolerate to stay in Musumbe. He didn't expect that Lwahle can took a decision to come. Lwahle, he can sacrifice for his father than Mpumelelo.